You won't believe how easy it is to make a rope in Blender. No add-ons, no advanced knowledge. All you need is just an open Blender window. First, open Blender and delete the default cube. Then, add a mesh circle. Apply a screw modifier to the circle and adjust its settings.
Looking at this blank space with you.
Boom, you've got a rope. But wait. Right now, it looks stiff and straight like a stick. To make it look more natural, add a curve to the viewport.
Wonder what we could make it do. Simple tools in our hands tonight.
Use the curve modifier to attach the rope to the curve. Tweak the settings.
Just waiting to bring it all.
And then go into edit mode to shape the curve and give the rope a more realistic look.
To life. Have you ever stopped to see how magic happens gradually? Just a few clicks away. That's all it takes today. Just a few clicks away. Just a few. Watch how the lines start to sway. Just a few clicks away. Just a few. Making something new today. Just a few clicks away. Curves flowing where we want them to. Every twist reveals something new. Following paths we design. Watching art and tech combine.
Once you're happy with the shape, it's time to create a material to make it look even more natural. Make a rope material by following the tutorial video.
Have you ever stopped to see how magic happens gradually? Just a few clicks away. That's all it takes today. In this digital space we share, creating things beyond compare. Simple gestures, you and me, building worlds that no one else can see. Just a few clicks away. Watch how the lines start to sway. Just a few clicks away. Making something new today. Just a few clicks away. Blank space with you. Wonder what we could make it do.
And finally, do a test render to see how it looks. That's it, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thanks a lot for staying with me until the end. Love you all, and see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.